Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm coming to you with another Papercraft Essentials magazine issue 224. It's a special issue for me because I did 5 projects for this magazine and one of them is actually featured on the front cover here on the top. I'm going to do a quick presentation of this magazine and a safari adventure card making kit, and then I will add that bit of video I recorded back in February, I think, end of February, before I sent off all those projects. And then you will hear more about how I created them, what kind of products I used. I will show you pretty much everything. So stay till the end of the video, so if you want to hear more about how I made them. So now I'm going to show you some of the pages. I'm really excited because in this magazine, the other card maker of the year 2022 winners. So this one is done by Lorraine. She created 3 beautiful project with a visible image stamps, and I love the way she created them, and it's so I love them basically because they've got this mixed media feel, and I love this kind of style. So this is by Lorraine. She created those 3 projects. Let me know what do you think about them. Then on page 64, 5 and 66 you will see mine. So those are the 3 projects here, which you're going to hear more about them later on, and another 2 circle easel card and 5x7. I really love that one, very simple, and those products are really beautiful. And then on page number 74 we've got Anne-Marie, another winner from last year. I haven't met her because when we had that VIP day at Practical Publishing, she couldn't actually join us. So yes, it was really nice to see all 3 of us in the same magazine. It would be nice to see Tracy as well, but yes, this is, I think, the first time all 3 of us in one magazine. So she created party animals, another 3 beautiful projects. Let me see, yeah, 3. And I love the way she colors and how she plays it. This one is just so beautiful. I love the background, I love the animals. I think she used a masking technique, because she put them so nicely together to create a beautiful scene. So that's the magazine. Let me show you what's going to be in the next issue. Let me find the page. Yes, it's a potting shed card making kit, of course, with a lot of beautiful paper stoppers. Yes, it's of course 8x8 card making kit. So that will be out on the 11th of May. So that's the magazine, and let me show you quickly the Safari Adventure card making kit before I show you my projects. Actually, that video from February, I think when I checked it was 24th or 26th of February when I record that video. So of course 3D foam parts, very useful, some gold sequins, and we've got of course a 1 sheet of acetate to do your shakers. That's the front cover, but I was looking at it, and of course you can fussy cut that element, you can fussy cut the parrots, and you can snip those sections, and you can create some strips on your cards. I will definitely use this kit because I'm actually trying to use all the kits, and then I will record another video showing how many projects I've done with that 1 card making kit. So these are beautiful toppers, more toppers with different types of animals, really nice and beautiful colors. I love those as well. So you can create different cards project. I will try to do something else rather than only cards. Sentiments, of course, beautiful, very useful for cards, and I love this one with only greens around it, and this one as well, and this one with pop of color, beautiful. And more sentiments, more vivid. The gold foiling is really beautiful, and I think it would be nice to actually send those to other people, because I do sometimes share things which I have, and I've got some leftovers. So another set of toppers, and that beautiful flower you can use, and you can actually cut off that border and use it as well. Lots of nice things to create. And papers, as you can see, beautiful papers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sheets of papers, and I think if you go to Craft World you probably can download more of them. I'm not sure, I would have to check it out. Giraffes. And I love this one. I love there's something pretty about pink and greens together. So this is the card making kit, and now I will add that video where I show you my project and I talk a little bit more about them. Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you with this Julie Hickey products. I received them from Practica Publishing to create 5 samples for Papercraft Essential issue 224. So they asked me to use this collection and a color palette which includes yellows, pinks and blues. They asked for the 5 projects to be very vivid, so of course I wanted to do it. So let me show you the products first, and then I'm going to show you what I actually created with them. So the butterflies and dragonflies. So butterfly has the word butterfly and dragonfly has the word dragonfly. Different sizes of butterflies, and I like this stamp as well, which you can use to create some backgrounds, and those small stamps with solid butterflies, lots of different sizes. I like this stamp. And then dragonfly, of course, dragonfly with different sizes, the word dragonfly, and those 2 stamps to create backgrounds as well. Really funky. I will show you how I use this one. Particularly I like this one, and it creates really nice card, I think. And then some circles. That's one big stamp, joined circles, and there are different separate circles in different sizes. There are some words: inspire, believe, hope, dream, love and laugh. Really nice stamp set. And the square, of course there is one big stamp, squares joined together. I use this one as well, and different stamps to create your background. So really nice if you like this type of stamps to create your own backgrounds. And there is this one with lots of letters. It's one big stamp. I did not use this one because I already made my sample, so I didn't use this one. And there are those stencils and masks as well. So I did not use this one, but I used this one. I used circles, I use this one, and stars as well. I did not use this one, but really nice one to use. So that was the color palette. So I used this those distress oxide inks in mustard seed, picked raspberry and broken china. So let me show you the first one. So the first card I've done is a square card, which I used white card and I inked it with broken china, and I used the stencil with circles to create this panel, and I added a little bit of mustard seed, and when mustard seed blended with the broken china, it creates a little bit of green. So I like this effect. I stamped biggest butterfly and I hit embossed it with gold embossing powder. It's this one, paperMona gold. I'm going to link all the products below the video so you can check it out if you want to. I'm going to link the magazine as well if you want to see the products and my projects in the magazine. So that's the first one I've done. Then I did this 5x7, very clean and simple card. So I used the stencil, as I showed you, the stencil with this one with the stars I used to create this panel, and that's the circle for that one. So I created this panel. Of course I used those 3 colors which I had to use, the biggest butterfly as this one, but for this one I used only black ink, and I inked a little bit of those wings and simple stamped and cut out butterfly word. Then I made this circle easel card. I love this one because it has a lot of gold. It's very sparkly, and I used the pearlescent card in gold, and I used white card and I inked it with picked raspberry. I hit embossed some of the circles from that set with circles. So I took some of the single circles in different sizes and I just stamped them all over that panel, and again over here as well, because you can see I created another one. And for that, I think, which one was it? I think it was one of those, can't remember which one, either dragonfly or this one, butterfly, not sure which one now. And of course, gold hitting embossing powder, lots of pink, blues. And for the dragonfly, I actually stamped it and hit embossed it twice, and that bottom layer has only that section cut out, so only the wings. I cut those wings out and I placed them underneath to create double layer. And happy birthday comes from another set. It's a set from by Lou Collins. It's a set with an owl. It's from one of the magazines. Probably you remember. If not, I'm going to link that one below in the description box. Maybe I can actually, yes, it's this one. Textured owl. There are two pieces. It's an owl and that's stamp set. So I use this stamp set to create to use happy birthday, and then in another sample I use create art. I like this set. So that's the third sample. And then another one is this 5x7 where I stamped and hit embossed this background with those circles, layered it on the matte black card, and I created this panel. And I said to you that I use this stamp which comes from the dragonfly. So I use this stamp and I stamped it in yellow, pink and blue, and then on top of that I stamped that dragonfly, and I put the gems, silver gems in the middle. And that create art comes from the same stamp set I showed you from Lou Collins. So that's the one. It actually came in a magazine some months ago. So that's the fourth one. And the last one, I think I like it a lot, is this one. It's a square one where I created mats and layers, and then those longer panels, and of course using the mustard seed, picked raspberry and broken china to create those panels. And I of course I use that big stamp with squares, and then I layered it on a circle, on a few circles. I've got white, matte black and another white raised on foam pads. And for this one I also use the stencil, this one, hope you can see it, yes, to create a little bit of texture. Hope you can see that slight yellow. So I use the mustard seed for the background, and I stamped that dragonfly in black, and I colored it with broken china and mustard seed, 3 silver gems, and I cut out that word which says dragonfly. I like this one a lot. And I think some of them, probably you will pick different cards which were your favorite. So if you can, let me know which one is your favorite. There are 2 butterflies, 2 dragonflies, and this one which is smaller dragonflies. So I hope you like those projects. Let me know what do you think about it. Do you know that that collection by Julie Hickey? If not, then let me know what do you think about this. And did you get your copy of your Papercraft Essential 224? If not, then check it out. I'm going to link it below the video. When I'm recording, in still a few months before the release of that magazine, so I'm still not sure what kind of free gift is going to be included, but I am sure it's going to be a fantastic one. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.